Hello. Now I explain the servo voltage stabilizer description and repair tips. See, this is a single phase servo stabilizer. This is three phase servo stabilizer. We can see now this is internal view of three phase servo stabilizer. It will be having three rheostatic coils, each coil for each phase R by B. See, this is a one arm, one single phase rheostatic coil view. This is a rheostatic coils connections. Input and output connections will terminate here. It will be having internally one more coil called auxiliary coil. It will do the function of increasing and decreasing the output voltage depending on the input voltage. This is servo motor top view. This servo stabilizer name came from this servo motor itself, because this stabilizer mainly works on movement of servo motor arm. This servo motor is also called as stepper motor. It will rotate very minute movements, mm by mm. See, this is close view of servo motor. It will normal like a AC ceiling fan normal motors, but coil, actually running coil, starting coil will be there. But movement is different. Very minute movement will be there. It will having the capacitor for run starting purpose also. See, this is a 0.8 MFT capacitor. See, this is a terminating switches of the rheostatic arm. Left and right movements will be there. It will be terminated these switches. This is the motherboard, controlling board of the servo stabilizer. It will give the signals to the rheostatic arm, forward direction or reverse direction depending on the input voltage. It always monitoring the input voltage. If increases, it will give signal to the arm left forward. It decreases, it gives signal to the arm to the reverse direction, so that maintaining the output voltage constant. See, this is a motherboard connections to the servo stabilizer. This from this it will all controlling voltage will go. This is a servo motor connections terminating here. The all connections will go to front panel and control motherboard. This is the front panel's back view. There will be the on this one auto mode, manual mode switch, and high voltage, low voltage cutoff LEDs, neon lamps, and this is front view. There we can see the neon bulbs on, high voltage cutoff, low voltage cutoff, increasing, decreasing, all will be there. Now you can see the